Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I am sharing with you some last minute DIY. Guys, this collaboration is hosted by the Grace Like DIY Home Decor and myself, Deborah Cabassa Home Living. Guys, and if we have some co-hosts, I will link them in the description box below. Guys, what I'm doing is I'm doing this bunny butt from the Dollar Tree. You guys can see one of the paws is missing. So I took one of the butts out and I paint, but everybody always paint them white. And I wanted to do something different with some texture. So I dabbed the paint, as you guys can see. If I turn it sideways, you guys can see a little bit of texture. But I debating to use this because I want to decoupage their paws. I don't want to paint them, or use this color. So what I'm going to do, I'm still going to be dabbing more paint. So this one has like red, blue, light blue or fuchsia, and pinks and some yellow. But since it's for Easter, you know, Easter is colorful. I like Easter. I like the colors that we use. I don't want to use red or none of that color, but I am going to add more color to it. So I started with this. So let me find the rest of my paint, which I do have some more paints, but I want to pick which one I want to use. So this is the last minute DIY. So I'm doing this. And also here, you guys know what this is? Eggshells. You could do this. I mean, yes, I do have plastic eggs, but I want to do something that looks natural. You take your eggs, you open them through the end when you're going to use them, and make sure you wash them really good. I put them in soapy water, and I put a little bit of bleach to kill whatever germs. So I got 6 of them there. So I want to color those and mix them with foam ones from the Dollar Tree because we have the clouch collaboration. And this is going to be used in a wreath. So guys, let me continue, and then I'm going to show you some more progress. I'm going to cut my pawpaws, and for the tail I'm going to be using a pom-pom ball, a cotton ball with a little belt in it, because that's going to be under a wreath. All right, guys, so let me look for the rest of my pen and continue. Well, guys, I finished tracing the paws. Now I'm just going to cut them, and I decided to go with this color because I added a little bit of red and it looks more like this. I was looking for my blue color to add a little bit of the blue, but I can't find it. So I'm working with what I have. I didn't want to dig on my box of DIY things. So yeah, we're going to continue with this. So this is almost dry, which I think is, yeah, it's already dry. It dries fast. So now I'm just going to trim this, and then I'm going to be decoupaging this, the little paws. Could use this, or you could use this, or you could use the hot glue gun, but the hot glue gun is gonna leave bumps, and I don't want bumps. Yeah, so I'm going to use this for my Mod Podge. I'm going to mash my, and you want to glue it slowly, because if you just put Mod Podge all over and then trying to stick it, you might not get it right. So you want to do it slowly, little by little. All right, guys? So let me do that, and then I'm going to show you. I'm going to do one, and then I'm going to show you how to do the other one. Okay, guys? So the one that I'm going to do is the one that's here. So it'll be easier for me to show you the one that's not stuck to the bunny butt. All right, guys, let's do that. Guys, that was so easy to do. Do you guys see? I like it. I may look for, I'm telling you, I may look for a little bit of blue and do some blue and put it in there, give it some color. Yeah, guys, I like that. I think that is so cute. It's gonna go perfect with my wreath. Once you lined up the little paws on the front, with it, the rest comes easy. Very simple. I don't know, around this time yesterday, I keep hearing like a bell in my apartment. I don't have anything there automatically. I think my husband left his something from work here. I'm telling you guys, it's weird. That's it, guys. There you have it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue it to my little Easter bunny butt, and it's gonna look just like so. So I'm gonna heat up my glue gun because I forgot to plug it in, and I'm gonna glue the tail and the paw, and then I'm gonna move on to the rest. Something I did, it looked like it looked unfinished. So I decided, look at the paws. This one looks more finished, and this one looks so unfinished. So what I did was I took U-twine. I used the Elmer's glue, went around it and glue it, and then on the bottom here, I used the glue gun like that. I could just seal it, but here, that will dry and it'll be there. But I think it looks much better with the jute twine around there. I may go with the jute twine around here as well to make it look finished, because I didn't like that it looked like unfinished. I don't know. Maybe it's me. Who knows? But yeah, I like that. I like that with the jute twine. So I'm going to do the other paw. As you guys see the tail, it has like a little thing. So it looks now like a little butt. So there you go, a bunny tail. So I'm going to finish it, and then also I'll show you that I'm gonna do the eggs, but I think I'm gonna leave that for another video. I am not sure, or maybe I'll take photos at the end. But I want to do a clouch for the clouch collaboration that we're going to have. So let me finish this part, and then I'm gonna continue, guys. I think my bunny butt looks more finished, as you guys can see. So now let's move on to the next DIY, guys. Next DIY. All right, guys, I don't know if you guys can see, I moved to my next DIY, which they are my eggs. You guys see all three of them there. I'm not decorating in any specific way. I just put paint on them and went with the paintbrush and just did some, mess it all up. you know, I can touch them because they're still wet, but I bring you guys close. You guys see? There's no shape. And yes, guys, I had to go dig for my pen because I thought I was going to get away with, but I needed my pen. So now this one's, I'm going to do something more softer. I did 3. I'm going to do 3 and 3. This one, I'm actually going to paint in one way and do some decorations. The eggs are all colored, they're drying out, and then I will display them for you. You guys going to see everything in my final review. Now, move on to the clouch. Let's do a clouch, guys. Well, guys, the clouch is going to be very simple. I took this plastic bowl from the Dollar Tree and a candle holder. I'm using the hot glue gun because if this breaks and this is flimsy, I always get to keep the candle holder and use it to make another one. So I don't want to put anything on the glass plastic because it's going to cover what's inside and you want to see what's inside. But yes, I am going to embellish a little bit with little things like this from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, it's gonna be simple, guys. It's the simplest thing you can do. So let's do that. Let me plug my hot. I always forget to plug my hot glue gun, guys. So let me do that. I told you guys that this was a very simple DIY. Very simple. And yes, you can see a little bit of the glue on the top, as you guys can see. You can see it. But it's because it's hot glue. Like I said, this is plastic, and if it breaks, I want to make sure I could take out the... Yep, that's it. Very simple. So guys, let me show you the final reveal of all my DIYs all set up. So guys, this is how I'm going to use that tab that I did, because I'm going to use my cake stand for Easter, but I just want to do this right quick. I don't know, you remember, guys, back then this used to be more nice. Now it's just like hard. Anyways, here are the little eggs that I DIY. So I'm just going to place them like this for now, just for the purpose of the video to show you. And this is what you call, guys, trash to treasure, using your eggshells. Just open them in a way that you could actually use them. So when I do the regular display, it's going to look something like that, but with bunny rabbits in it and stuff. So guys, there is one of my clouches. This is just an example. And here is my bunny butt. I put a ribbon. So guys, I'm going to come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.